Hello friends, welcome to RSK-Code tutorial. I am your instructor Saurav Srivastava. I hope you like this Java series. After Java 11, moving ahead, let us understand some key points used in Java features. First is preview features. So a preview feature is a new feature whose design, specification and implementation are complete. But these features are not permanent, which means these features may exist in a different form or not at all in future JDK releases. Next key point is incubator features. Incubator modules are a means of putting non-final APIs and non-final tools in the hands of developers. While the APIs or tools are still in development and not finalized, and these features can be removed in future releases. These are present in a separate module with name prefixed with jdk.incubator. Next key point is experimental features. Experimental features represent early versions of mostly VM level features. These can be risky, incomplete, or even unstable. In most cases, they need to be enabled using dedicated flags. These keywords you will read and listen more now in next videos. That is why it is important to note them down. Now let us understand Java 12 and 13 features in this video. Let us talk about Java 12. Java 12 was introduced in March 2019. It has following features. So our first feature is string and files method. In Java 11, we got few utils method in string and file classes. That has been continued in Java 12. New methods has been added in Java 12 like string.ident, string.transform in string class, and files.mismatch in files class. Next feature is team collector in collections. In Java 12 for streams, collector.team method has been added. This method takes two collectors and merges their result into one. We got a support for number formatting. In Java 12, it introduced a new method that is number format dot get compact number instance. This method is introduced and it can create a formatter which can create a compact number formatting. What does it mean? For example, if you are writing any number in form of 2 million or 3 billion, so this formatter can write those numbers in a human readable format like 2 million or 3 billion. In Java 12, we got a preview feature that is switch expression. We got an enhanced switch statement which is more expressive and concise. It allows to be used as both as a statement and an expression. Our next feature is an experimental feature. It is introduced in Java 12 and named as Shenandoah garbage collector. It is designed to provide a low pause time performance. Another feature we got in Java 12 is micro benchmark suite. This suite has been added to JDK source code to help developer measure the performance of a code snippet. We got many performance improvement also in Java 12, like introducing default class data sharing, that is CDS. Next is optimization in mix collection, where it can be abortable if max pause time is repeatedly exceeds. And we got improvement for our memory also. For example, garbage collector will now return unused memory quickly to the operating system. After Java 12, we got Java 13, which was introduced in September 2019. First feature of Java 13 is text blocks. Java 13 introduced first preview feature of text blocks. It is a new kind of string literal for multi-line strings. It improves the readability of code that involves multi-line strings. Next feature is switch expression. Java 13 gave a second preview feature for switch expression, which was introduced as a preview feature in Java 12. This feature got enhanced to be used as both a statement and an expression. Next, we have ZGC. It is a uncommit unused memory. This is an experimental garbage collector and promises extremely short stop the world pause of time, 10 milliseconds or less. We got performance improvement in Java 13. First is dynamic CDS is added, which extends the existing class data sharing, aka CDS. This feature enables dynamic archiving of classes at the end of Java application execution. Also, we can use soft heap size in Java 13. This improvement sets an upper limit for heap size. We got some JDK class library enhancements also. Java 13 added new methods like bytebuffers.slice, in which we can create a section of the buffer. This method already existed before Java 13, but Java 13 modified it to ignore the position, capacity, and limit of the underlying buffer. Other two new methods were added are bytebuffer.get and bytebuffer.put in bytebuffer class, which do not read or write the data at current position of the buffer but at an explicitly specified position. In file system class, we got an overloaded method for new system method, in which you can create a pseudo file system with content mapped to a file such as zip or jar file, and makes it possible to pass a provider specific file system configuration. So friends, I hope you like this video. Please give your support to my channel. Please like, comment and click on subscribe button. Thank you.